Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to prevent the formation of fog from the windshield inside of your car. Usually the fog happens when you don't have a working aircon. Every time you talk you produce water vapors that would try its way to escape. But if the door of your car are all closed, they wouldn't be able to escape. Thus they would end up on the internal surface of your windshield. Thus it forms as the condensate and it becomes hard to drive when there's condensation inside the windshield. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to prevent this from happening. I'm just demonstrating as this hot water as part of the water vapors that's escaping every time you talk inside your car, or when there's some wet carpet that's trying to, with water vapors trying to escape. So it also is one of the sources of those condensate. Okay, we're going to use toothpaste to treat this one part, and we are not going to treat the other part. Okay, let's put some toothpaste there. Okay, we'll just use some paper cloth and we'll treat it. Then we'll wipe it clean later. Okay. Let's wipe it. Let's use a clean cloth. Okay, let's see. If you can see, condensation is not forming on this area that we treated with some toothpaste. You can see some condensation on this part, but on this area there's nothing forming. See that condensation? It's forming over there, but in here there's no condensation. Okay, so that's one trick of trying to avoid any foggy windshield, especially if your aircon is not working. Okay, I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.